Look, it's time for a bath. Look, it's here to mess up her program. Look at the state of her. Please come out and prove you're a budgie under my jumper and not some crazy alien thing. Look, it's time for a bath. Teas for the morning. I don't think I'm going to have any breakfast this morning. Well, first up, we have like no food. Like, I'm not even kidding. We have a bare fridge, beetroot, and a bit of cheese that's questionable. That needs thrown out. We have carrots. We are good for carrots. Going to show Dean the evidence that his tea is ready. Tea is ready.
Oh, thank you, love.
Come on. Can we get the tea? Can we get the tea? Can we get the tea? It works, it's working. Hey, Dean's just finished his tea, which means we can go grocery shopping. And I want to check out this vegetarian slash vegan friendly place in Healy. I'm seeing spots. Why am I seeing spots? We're going to go there and then we're going to pick up other things on the way back from Asda that we can't get from the other place. Dean! Come on. How many times are you going to brush your hair? Let's roll. Warm.
It's rainy though.
It's still warm.
It's raining though.
It's outside the organic, vegetarian, vegan, friendly, healthy supermarket. We're just waiting for the rain to ease off before we dash.
It's still raining.
Okay, so we're in the supermarket. Dean's got
They do. Washing up liquid, look.
We've got a Matalan Matalan trolley for this place, even though it's not Matalan. It is called Lembas. Dean, that is organic cider. These, oh my god, they've actually got like toilet cleaner and everything. Vegan lime scale remover. Right, I've got some bathroom cleaner and washing up liquid. Cruelty-free vegan wine. Alright, so we've got our organic shop and spent a little bit more.
£50 exact.
Quick stop at Asda on the way back.
And to spend more money.
Still need eggs, celery, things. We won't go to anywhere else in the shop, just the fruit and veg. So we don't need to spend any more. But like, at least now all our other stuff is going to be organic and fresh now, I think. Detox time.
I was going to say I'm going to get a stressed trifle.
No. So we've got our fruit and veg. Dean's not scared about the price this time.
I got trifle.
You didn't.